All right, three-way hip mobility stretch. I'm gonna break these bad boys up into 3 different stretches so you can understand them better, and also some different positions so or different angles so you're able to understand what I'm doing. First one is the hip opener position. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get, in this case, my right leg where my foot is forward and both my hands on the inside. So I don't have my hand like this. That is not wrong. That is not the stretch we're doing right now. So right now, my left leg is back as far as I'm able to carry it or bring it. My right leg, foot is straight, and my knee is outside a little bit. You will notice that if your knee is straight up, you don't have very much room to move. So by allowing my knee to slowly kind of push out a little bit, not only do I feel the stretch in my butt and in my hip, but it allows me to sit here comfortably. From this position, what I'm able to do is kind of walk out a little bit. That allows my hips to lower down more. Or for the more flexible people, you can start to try to drop both your elbows or one elbow on the ground. What we want to make sure we do is if we drop down, we don't completely just turn like this. We need to keep the torque and the rotation within the hips so we continue to feel the stretch. So from the front angle, I'm just going to rotate myself a little bit. It would look something like this. You realize that my knee is not completely straight. It is open and both my hands are down in the middle and my leg is as far back, if you can see it here, as I'm able to hold. And I'm not crunched in this position. I've got a nice smooth, long line. I'll try to get some pictures up top for you guys to understand it, but this would be stretch number 1, modifying by either walking out or dropping down on the elbows.